Hey my loves, welcome and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a very easy one, a very quick hairstyle actually that you would literally be done with in like 20-30 minutes max. I'm not kidding. Let's get right into this video. So first of all, I will moisturize our hair. You guys saw me spraying on the tangling spray or something. I also use a leave-in conditioner, but yeah, that clip wasn't included. Anywho's, her hair is now swiftly easier to manage, so I started patting out lines. For that, I am patting slant lines, actually X line, yeah, X line, and I am left with a total of 4 patted triangles. And after that, I patted a teeny bit of a line in between the lines, if that makes sense, and I started cornrowing or feeding in, whichever one, but basically cornrow because I didn't add much extensions to it. So I'll just cornrow that all the way across, all the way down, and I will repeat the same on the other side, okay, and I will be left with this at the end. So now that that is out of the way, I am just gonna start working on each of the triangle lines or each of the parted. I don't know. You guys shall go and say. So I'll brush out the hair, comb it, make sure that it is sleek, and then start brushing it in. Make sure that there is no hair leave out or anything like that. I'll go in and start tying that out. Okay, rather I'll tie it. I'll securely tie that away using a wool. Yeah, you can use a thread, you can use anything, something that can just hold. You can even use an elastic band. The reason I'm not using an elastic band is because most time elastic bands are not like strong enough. They tend to break, and I needed something that could hold the hair securely, and I felt like thread would do the job better. So you can use elastic band if that's what you have available. So after that, I will part the hair. After tying that out, I will part out some quantity of hair and start braiding. For each of those hair, for each of those each of those triangle, whatever, I'll be braiding like 3. I'll braid 3 braid out. Oh my god, this my explanation is just annoying, but you guys are understanding me. Like, the hair is very easy. I guess that's why I am really not serious in explaining what I'm doing. But yeah, you guys are just gonna figure this out by yourself because there's really nothing to explain here. So let me just play music in the background and you guys will watch this. Okay, and before I go, please give the video a thumbs up. Please give the video a thumbs up and listen, enjoy the music. guys, we are done. So that went by real fast. Right now I'm laying down her edges, which is very essential. I also oiled her scalp, but I'm not sure that clip is here, and I decided to accessorize. I'm using this clip, this accessory clip, to add to the extension so it can give a pop of color, all of that, all of that beautiful things. And I also use those butterfly clips and all that to clip onto the hair to add more colors. But at the end of the day, I realized that this this is not given. Like, I preferred it without having, I prefer the hair without having any of those accessories, well, aside from the beads and the gold clip. Aside from those two, the rest, this butterfly thingy going on there, I really do not like. I was not feeling it at this point. Like, after seeing this video now, I am not feeling it at all. But yeah, you can decide to omit that, but the beads are very important because that will give the hair the beauty it deserves. Honestly, you can't even skip that at all. It will give weight to the extension such that it will not be flying around. Also, it can also add beauty. And yeah, guys, look at my baby girl. Anyways, see how beautiful this hair turned out. Will you be trying it out? Let me know in the comment section. And with that being said, we have come to the end of this video. Do give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, see you in my video. Bye.